okay, honey. It's Boo's favorite dish. It amazes me that he went that far in between that fence and that pole. Good alignment.
This is all because you're wearing a seatbelt.
Oh no. No. Mommy, quit taking pictures and see her. It's okay, honey. Oh, just don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. I know. Don't cry. I know, honey. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. It's so you don't get hurt, dirty butt. You have to get used to it now, especially if you're in the Jeep. Mommy ain't gonna let you in the Jeep unless you have a seatbelt. Oh. Oh no.
That's just ridiculous, sis.
Oh, no. Look at baby. Look at baby.
What you doing, Nut Nuts?
Honey.